In quantum mechanics, Schrodinger's cat's experiment is a thought experiment that illustrates a paradox of quantum superposition. This thought experiment was devised by an Austrian physicist, Erwin Schrödinger, in a discussion with Albert Einstein to illustrate what Schrödinger saw as the problems of the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics and made it more advanced. This scenario is often featured in theoretical discussions of interpretation, particularly in situations involving measurement problems. Firstly, let's know what is meant by a thought experiment in exam. It's a calculation that is based on the postulates of a theory as relativity proposed by Einstein, and that clarifies and demonstrates the consequences of that postulates. Simply, they are the basic devices of imagination. Now, keeping all of them apart, let's get into today's topic. This is Quantum Time, and here is about Schrodinger's cat's experiment. In quantum theory, quantum particles can exist in a superposition of states at the same time and can also collapse down to a single state when we see. This is the fundamental of parallel universe or multiverse theory. If you don't know about this yet, then do check it out, the link which is given in the below description. Okay, now let's confer about this Schrodinger's cat's experiment. This legend Schrödinger had done many experiments in quantum mechanics, but the most sensational one is this Schrodinger's cat's experiment. Firstly, Erwin Schrödinger has taken a box in which Geiger counter, a glass in which poison is present, a hammer, and a radioactive material is present. And when this radioactive substance decays, it triggers a Geiger counter which causes a poison to be released. A Geiger counter is used to detect radioactive decay. After correct arrangement of this apparatus in that box, a cat was kept in it. The decay of radioactive is a random process, which means it can either decay or not with 50-50 chances. After keeping this cat and the apparatus in that box, it was closed. If the poison is released, then the cat will die, but if it doesn't, it remains alive. So, it's a probability of either being lived or died. But according to Schrödinger, until the box gets opened, the cat would be in both living and died positions, as this is an example of superposition. Since in the double-slit experiment, it was declared that until we see an object, it possesses wave nature only, and that simply means a superposition. So in that box, the cat is lived and also died. But when we open the box, these positions turn to one and seems like either died or lived. And this means the atoms start in a combined state of going to decay and not going to decay, and later turns to one, and our objects too do the same. And by this we can also say that until having a specific evidence, we shouldn't decide anything in quantum mechanics, from quantum particles to quantum world, because until we open the box, we can't say whether the cat was died or not. In August 2020, physicists presented studies involving interpretation of quantum mechanics that are related to Schrödinger's cat and Wigner's friend paradox, resulting in conclusions that challenge seemingly established assumptions about reality. Okay guys, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated, and have a like if you enjoyed and comment your opinion.